Mitrang ba ka jila mikraya Conrad kisang ma rapan pa ko jing sungu ber ai Khublei trang ba du kari Narendra Modi ber kumju ya menteri penek larti ka sokal India Kajendra Singh Shekhawat hal ka jing simkhia jong ki ban Phah ya kedulil jong ka Jingkieng jri na Meghalaya sia ka United Nations Educational Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO jong ka UNO ban penrung hakathup ka World Heritage nei ka spa handai rapat ka daw ba nin gasngi ambassador ka India sia ka United Nation Bishal V Sharma ola IT ya ka duli sia director ka UNESCO World Heritage Center Lasre Asumolondo ban kentu ban penrung ya ka duli ka Jingkieng jri hakathup jong ka UNESCO ajar pun reo ajar penyau.
Friends, as you are all aware, the Jingkieng or the Living Root Bridge has been sent as the official nomination of the Government of India for the UNESCO World Heritage Site. I take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Prime Minister as well as the Honorable Minister for Culture for considering our nomination. Thank you.